In the morning light, Emma stepped into her cosy kitchen, determined to prepare a delicious breakfast for her family. She began by grabbing a cutting board and a sharp knife, then carefully chopped a handful of onions. The familiar crisp sound of chopping filled the room. Next, Emma reached for the skillet and placed it on the stove, pouring in a splash of sunflower oil. As the oil heated, she added the onions, listening to the satisfying sizzle as they began to sauté. The aroma of cooking onions soon wafted through the kitchen. Emma then took 2 eggs from the fridge and cracked them into a mixing bowl. She picked up a whisk and briskly beat the eggs until they were light and fluffy. Pouring the mixture into the skillet, she gently stirred, creating soft, scrambled eggs. While the eggs cooked, Emma turned her attention to the fruit. She selected a fresh apple and a ripe banana, slicing them neatly with a paring knife. She arranged them on a plate. With everything coming together, Emma quickly cleaned the countertop and set the table. She placed the plates of scrambled eggs and fruit on the table, along with a pitcher of fresh orange juice. As her family gathered around, the morning sun streamed through the window, casting a warm glow over the scene. Emma smiled, satisfied with her simple yet heartfelt effort to start the day with a delicious, homemade breakfast.